Hey guys, it's Tom and Jeremy from Tractor Tools Direct. We are just getting done mowing yesterday, so today we are setting up the TS100 tedder and belt rake. And so right now it is set up for raking, and we're going to show you that we're going to get it ready to be set up for tedder mode. So Jeremy, if you want to go ahead and move that hay stop arm, basically you're going to unscrew the screw over there, send out the hay stop arm, and move it to where it's out of the way. That way the hay is not stopped by the stop arm. And it's a pretty easy process there, as you'll see Jeremy doing there. And then while he's doing that, when he's done, just basically tighten everything up over there, and that's about as easy as it gets over there. And then you'd come over here to the right rear tire, and it's got some pretty easy levers here. The best way and the easiest way, since this is a really heavy-duty machine, is going to be to lift it off the ground with your three-point hitch. That way the weight of the machine is not kind of going against you here. And I'm going to go from the bottom notch, and I'm going to raise about 3 notches off of the bottom notch. So now that means the right side of the tedder is going to be lower, and the left side of the tedder is going to be higher. And that way it's going to scoop all that hay that's in the windrow that our drum mower left on the field, and it's going to go ahead and spread it all back out. So that's as easy as it gets for belt rakes. They're really simple machines. This TS100 machine built by Ibex is extremely heavy duty, and we can't wait to put it to work today. So we'll hop on the tractor and I guess enjoy some videos of us doing some tedding, and we'll probably talk about it a little bit more, and we'll go ahead and rake probably here later today. So see you on the next video. Enjoy. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.